Today is day 8 for my Bonne Maman advent calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 8. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So here's door number 8, and let's open it up. And what I just realized today is that there's a message inside each door. I did not even realize that. This one says, "Spread joy wherever you go." And what do we have here? We have fig cardamom spread. That sounds really good. This is what the fig spread looks like. It's really dark. That is so good. The combination of figs and cardamom work really well together. Today I am going to be making a feta cheese waffle. I have my winter mug here, which I am using as a small mixing bowl. First thing I'm going to do is add an egg. And I have about an ounce of feta cheese here, which I'm going to crumble in. This was from a block of feta. And I'm going to beat this with the fork. I'm trying to crush up some of the larger chunks of cheese. And I'm adding 1 heaping tablespoon of almond flour. And I'm adding another heaping tablespoon of almond flour. And maybe like 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And that's it. I don't mind if the cheese is a little chunky in the batter. That's fine. I'm not adding any honey or any sweeteners to this. I want it to be more savory than sweet because the fruit spread that I'm putting on top is very sweet. I'll add a pinch of salt. But the feta cheese is quite salty, so I don't really even need salt. This is my Dash mini waffle maker. I plugged it in. The blue light is on. Once the blue light goes off, we're ready to make our waffles. The blue light just went off. Let's open this up. And I think I'm going to use half of the batter. I think this might make 2 waffles. I'll close this and I'll be back in a few minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Let's see what's going on inside. Look at that beautiful waffle. That looks so good. It's picture perfect. Let's see if there's enough batter for one more. It's been about 2.5 minutes now. Let's check on this waffle since it has less batter in it. It still looks really good. We could see where the batter didn't totally fill in, but that's fine. So here are my feta cheese waffles. They smell so good. I really wish you could smell them. Now I'm going to add my fruit spread, the fig and cardamom fruit spread. Eating waffles with jam or jelly or fruit spread is so much more interesting than just syrup. So here we go. I can't wait to taste these. That is so good. You really taste the feta cheese in the waffle. And this fruit spread just perfectly complements it. It's delicious. And so that's how you can make a feta cheese waffle in a Dash Mini waffle maker. And it goes really, really well with this fig cardamom fruit spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else is in this Bonne Maman Advent calendar. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have a very happy holiday season.